Hey, welcome back. It's Matt Faulkner with Elixir Practice Management. We're going to take you through another video. We're going to show you the ebook that we've been working on. Check out the link below. Fill out the form and receive our ebook. It's Elixir Practice Management. It's going to show you the entire process from start to finish. So let's jump into the demo. What we're going to show you is how to admit the patient in the Elixir EHR system. So let's jump into that. All right, so here we are in the ebook. We've done a video already earlier on seamless patient conversion. And we've oriented you guys to the screens of Elixir in another video. So we're gonna move on to the patient intake process. All right, so we've got Brian Keith. Brian has just showed up at our facility. He is looking to do his intake paperwork with us. So what we're going to show you is the admissions process. So it's all on this admissions tab here, and our sub tabs generate PIN code, capture signature, admissions forms, and inventory. So we'll walk through these few sub tabs here. So first thing is our system is equipped with an e-signature process built right into it. So there's no need for any third-party e-signature platform. It's a two-factor process. So basically you want to create a PIN code. So we've submitted to get the PIN code. It's coming to the patient's email address, which in this case is my email address. So we'll open that up. I just got my code. So we'll get that. Copy my code. It's just a couple digit number, very easy to memorize for the patient. Next thing is we're going to capture my electronic signature with a mouse. It's a little crazy looking, but obviously this is also going to be iPad enabled, so you could be signing any of the boxes with the iPad as well. That'll come out a little bit nicer. So we'll add the PIN for an added layer of security. We'll save that, and now this electronic signature has been saved right into the system. So now it's time to move forward with orientating this patient to our program. We have a number of admissions forms already pre-built into the system. A lot of our customers have very specific forms. So we've actually built a form builder, very similar to other apps that are out there, Conga, for instance. So we're able to actually build custom forms right in the system. So we will do most of the form building for you right as part of configuration, but there could be some custom forms that you want to add, and you don't want to wait for us to turn them around. We'll actually train you guys on how to configure your own forms, and we'll do a video on that. But basically, we've got group confidentiality. This one's already under review. It's been signed by a patient, so we can open that up. We can see that a signature has already been applied to this one. So we'll go ahead and add a new form. So we'll go ahead and we'll add, let's say, safe call. And we'll submit that form. And now it's ready to be signed. So we are going to have the patient sign this form, sign and approve. Okay, so we get the signature here, and we're ready to move on. So now that we've done the, let's say the admissions forms, obviously there's going to be many more forms. Obviously the list is extensive, what we have in the admission. But when we're ready, we would move on to an inventory with the patient. So this button here will open up the inventory screen, and we'll create a new inventory. So you have a list of different belongings. Of course, this can be customized. So maybe you've got some like a laptop or something. You could take pictures of those items and add the images from your computer right onto the inventory log. And then once you've collected all this information, you'll have an inventory, and the patient will be able to sign off on this inventory. So that is the admissions process and the inventorying process, as well as our signature process. We'll jump into another video shortly after this. Thanks.